Go.
Thank you. Wow. Oh, so
Zonna.
nice. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Oh, wow.
And we got this red envelope inside. And if you open it, you will see details, which is inspired by the paper cards.
So pretty.
So nice.
Wow. I love how it feels.
Yeah, it comes
Nice.
with the matte touching.
Yeah, it
Very
has a
supple.
matte. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
touch.
Yeah.
Very nice. Exciting.
And this
Oh,
is
wow.
the card. You can open it.
Let's see.
Oh my.
Year of the Rabbit.
Yeah, the bunny year. Oh my
Wow,
God.
this is so precious.
Yay,
Look
cheers.
at that.
Yeah.
Wow, and the Mona. Oh, wow.
The white gold color is very stunning.
Beautiful.
Classic.
Match the Oslo today.
Oh, yeah. It
Yeah.
What a coincidence. I
Yeah.
really vibe here. This is really my home. So nice.
Yeah, we have one more little cute stuff for you in the
There's
back.
another one.
There's another one here. It's a good bunny.
Wow.
For the
So it
tea
goes
leaves.
for the tea.
For the tea
Yeah.
leaves. Yeah.
Wow. Oh my God.
So
Wow.
cute.
This is so cute. So adorable. And
Did it
so
come together?
precious. And it come together.
Yes.
There's the cup. Yeah.
So I put my tea here. Wow.
Cheers.
I love. So fancy.
Nice.
Wow, what a good luck. Now we have
Happy
the.
New Year.
Thank you.
Of course.
Yeah.
Thanks for remembering me.
Of course.
And then you have this. Wow, and a hot tea
Hot
too.
tea, a great
Wow.
tea. Uh-huh.
And a lot of gold. Oh, I love this.
Go coin.
This is my favorite chocolate actually. Wow, and I have a lot of gold coin in there too. Oh my God, I want to eat a
we got
lot.
more here.
Yes.
I want to eat a lot. Thank you, thank you.
Sure, maybe
Thank
show us your bag too.
Thank you. And I'm wearing
Yeah.
today this little precious, my favorite.
Ah, okay.
All Mona bag is my favorite.
Thank you, thank
Thank
you.